5.0 is a program intended to help seniors, especially seniors who don't necessarily have a plan after graduation, to help career launch them into whatever industry, opportunity, or career that they want to pursue.
We already had contacts at ReadyCT and they helped support our programs. It was pretty seamless. And they always recommended students from the Student 5.0 program who they knew were interested in careers that aligned with the things that we teach here, like manufacturing or technology. We were showing growth in the confidence and the skills and increased awareness and career opportunities and desire to explore those careers post-secondary education.
Honestly, my high school year, I had no clue. I didn't really think of my future at all, but this seemed like a good idea to help me pursue something I might want to do. I want to get more experience, get more things on my resume. I'm not big on doing things out of my comfort zone, but she really helped me pursue things that I didn't think I would do.
Daniel was very introverted at the beginning of the program, but I found that he was willing to kind of explore and go more out of his shell and also kind of hold himself more accountable. When we work with students like Daniel, they don't have a plan necessarily, so we work towards kind of solidifying a plan so they feel more comfortable and confident after they graduate.
The outcome that I'm most proud of is hearing students say, I can take something that was an idea and create something from it, and they are actually making physical working products. That is something that is like the magic that we're trying to spark in our students.
And it made me be more creative, solving problems, hands-on things, and I liked how I could design things.
I definitely feel like he's solidified his interest in the trades and in the STEM field. When I first met with him, he wasn't really sure what he wanted to do, but I know after he's been doing Makerspace, he's been really interested in being an electrician, more so now than ever.
When I get my electrical license, I have to be an apprentice for 2 years, then I could become a contractor, and I plan on starting my own electrical company and making a business and do great things.